everyone, and welcome back to another episode of ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill, and today we are going to be looking at the Air Jordan 5 Retro Stealths. Let's take a closer look. Hi everyone, and welcome back to another unboxing and review. If you're new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button as well as give this video a thumbs up at the end. Feel free to leave me any comments or questions down below. Also hit that notification bell because we have so much heat coming out that I don't want you guys to miss out on. As well as check out that join button. We've got a ton of membership perks that you guys are going to absolutely love, as well as our Shade merch store. We've got some great items in there, so be sure to check that out when you have a chance. As mentioned earlier, we are going to be looking at the Air Jordan 5 Retro Stealths, and this is a very clean colorway, so I can't wait to go through, talk about the overview of the new look and finish of this shoe. Then we're going to jump into sizing. This, just so you guys know for reference, is a GS size 7. Then I'm going to talk about how we styled this shoe. It was a beautiful day here in New York, so definitely makes styling so much easier when you're shooting for warmer weather. Then we're going to conclude with how these shoes are doing on the resale. Just for those of you who slept on this shoe, these are not doing so bad on the resale market. I feel like people finally saw this in person and they had a change of heart and now want this shoe. So be sure to stick around for the end. All right, let's jump into it. Starting with the toe box and frontal portion of the shoe, we've got this genuine tumbled white leather. And let me tell you, you never know what kind of quality leather you're gonna get on a shoe. This, you can tell, is quality leather. So I have to commend the Jordan team for really doing a great job in giving us some great leather material on this specific silhouette. As we work our way up, you'll see that we have just some simple white laces, nothing too extreme, but then we're gonna see some of that stealth blue accenting happening on the Jumpman logo and the pull tab that we have here that's also got some clear on it. And then we've got just that nice pop of metallic silver to finish off the tongue. So let's take a closer look at those finishes. All right, so moving to the side panels of the shoe, you'll see that we've just got more of that genuine tumbled white leather that wraps around to the heel counter as well as the collar. We've got that pop of blue on the inside of the collar there and that fleece material, as well as black on the inner lining of the tongue. The insole is another pop of blue going on in there with a white Jumpman logo on the inside. As we make our way down to the midsole, we've got just a nice gray hue with, again, that just beautiful splatter markings of blue on top of the black accents for those shark teeth. And we've also got just a little speckle going on here in that small triangle and a clear air bubble. We are then going to finish off the shoe with these icy translucent soles and the black and hints of that blue on the front of the toe, as well as that Jumpman on the bottom. So this was actually a nice twist on the last released shoe in 2006. And it is literally just subtle changes to the shoe, but it did give it a little, you know, something different. But this does take very many cues from its OG colorway, and I'm a fan of the clean finish. So let's take a last and final look at this silhouette. All right, so moving on to the sizing. As you guys know, I can fit in a 7 youth. I would recommend though staying true to size on this one. Specifically, if I can, I get an adult 7.5, but if not, I always am okay with going with a size 7 youth, but definitely stick true size in this specific shoe. All right, so now let's jump into styling. I had so much fun styling these shoes just because they're so basic and simple, but yet they still have these nice accents that really highlight your outfit. For the first look, I decided to wear just a nice light denim jacket, and I topped that off with just a nice white creamish colored shirt with some green cargo pants. And I think that just really highlighted the blue hues in the shoe with the green and the blue denim for a just nice and simple casual look.
Working a 9 to 5, I had to go and feed the guys. Nobody did it right, I had to show them how to grind. I had to be the hard, this is the life I live for God. Taking a step at a time, we going up, we headed to Mars. Taking them chances, making decisions, you know I'm never gonna lie. Till you let go, I'm copying all of them, who you gonna be inside.
For the next look, I decided to wear some Fear of God, just simple gray sweatpants. Obviously, gray is going to go great with this shoe because of the gray accents and the silver tongue action that you see on this specific coloring scheme. And then I wore, again, another just simple white t-shirt, and I decided to layer that this time with a denim vest with some nice fuzz going on underneath there. And again, another just very simple casual look, but bringing the blue hues and the gray hues really, I think, just plays well with this coloring scheme.
I cannot fake it, I gotta face it, I gotta do the time. You gotta wait, mate, for a great pay, make sure you're doing your job. Gotta deal with the patience, 200 every occasion. Going to different locations, how they got when I need some direction. Me and Vinci go up every session, cook it up, yeah, you know it's no pressure. Yeah, you know how we do it, we all in. We can slow up and you never catch us. Working a 9 to 5, I had to go and feed the guys. Nobody did it right, I had to show them how to grind. I had to be the hard, this is the life I live for God.
And for the last and final look, I decided to wear some kind of ripped up but rolled up jeans in a baggier fit. And then I tied that together with just a nice crisp white casual shirt that was a button down. Obviously there's some great white accents going on with the shoes, so any white pieces that you do decide to add to your wardrobe will work great.
Taking a step at a time, we going up, we headed to Mars. You know my slimes, they came from the bottom to top. They can define us, they tryna find us, boy, I know you with the ops. We're not the same, no, you can't compare me, I don't belong in the box. Don't try to play me, no, I'm not friendly, this is everything I got. Ain't no playing around, this is no playground. It no matter, I do what I say now. I'ma go give them something to say now. Got them stuck on my back like a spray ground. See, don't gotta complain. I'm a shooter, got eyes in my vein. They said that I would never make it, they thought I was crazy, they said I'm insane. Working a 9 to 5, I had to go and feed the guys. Nobody did it right, I had to show them how to grind. I had to be the hard, this is the life I live for God. Taking a step at a time, we going up.
So you guys let me know at the bottom what was your favorite look out of the 3, or how would you decide to style these shoes?
Today I'ma wake up a new man, driving a new road, develop a new plan. I'll never be blue, man, whatever the view, man. Go to a new beach and get me a new tan. I'ma write down every single thought. Got goals on my wall, I win, I never fall. I've been gone for a minute, yeah, had to be free. You want it, I got it, so tell me what you need. I'm unchained, unfazed, and unwilling. It's a new day, new world, we all winning. I'm up late, up early, I gotta get it. Keep working, now we gotta make a million. Go get it, you got it, I see you. Go get it, you got it, I see you. Go get it, you got it, I see you. Go get it, you got it, I see you. Go get it, you got it, I see you. Go get it, you got it, I see you. I know you could do it. All you gotta do is put your mind to it. Wake up, I'm on to the next. New day, I gotta do my best. Every day I put the work in. The grind never stop, you ain't never see me rest. See me on top, I never fall. I speak my truth and turn it to law. Do it for the drive, you know it's really my passion. Never gonna stop me, really I'll make it happen. I gotta get up and grab it. The money want me to have it. What more could I say? I'm top billing. I grew from the dirt, guess I had to make a million. I grew up, I swear I rose from the valley. Every day I put the work in, I gotta keep a tally on beat. Pockets stay heavy, when you see me don't leave. Falling days in the streets, had homies in the struggle. Go get it, you got it, I see you.
All right, so now let's jump into concluding with the resale and how these shoes are currently doing. We'll start with grade school. So grade school, obviously, if you can fit in this, it's a much more affordable option, which these ones specifically retailed at $140. And currently right now they're going between $190 and $200 on the resale market. The adults retailed at $190 and are currently reselling between $275 to $300. So adults are doing actually quite nicely for those resellers out there, but it is getting to a pricier point for those who were unable to cop these today. All right, you guys, that's it for this unboxing and review. Again, if you're new to the channel, do not forget to hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up if you haven't already. Be sure to leave us any comments or questions down below, as well as hit that notification bell because we have so much content coming out that I don't want you guys to miss out on it, as well as check out our join button because we have so many membership perks that you guys are absolutely going to want to check out, as well as our merch store. Get yourself some Shade community merch. There's a lot of different options in there that I know you guys are going to love. All right, so until next time, this is ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill. We will see you on the next video.